Unleashing Your Adventurous Spirit, a guide to thrilling European river cruises. Discover the secrets to an unforgettable river cruise adventure, and that will ignite your sense of adventure and create lifelong memories. Countless travelers have embarked on European river cruises and experienced the thrill and excitement of activities and adventures along the way. When it comes to adventurous river cruising, there's three challenges many people face. First is limited adventure options, and many people fail to find the river cruise that offers more than just leisurely sightseeing, and they miss out on the chance to indulge in their adventurous spirit. Second, lack of information. Without proper guidance, travelers may not be aware of the diverse range of activities available during the European river cruise, leaving them feel uncertain about how to make the most of their journey. And the third, planning challenges. Planning an adventure-packed river cruise can be overwhelming, as finding the right itinerary and ensuring all the necessary arrangements are made can be a daunting task. Now, to solve these, we go through these three steps. Embark on active shore excursions. Join guided hikes and bike rides at picturesque locations, explore the stunning countryside, forests, and vineyards. Now imagine hiking through the enchanting Black Forest or barking alongside the charming villages of the Danube. Second, engage in thrilling water sports. Now, depending on the river and itinerary, you can participate in exciting water sports like kayaking, paddleboard, or even swimming in designated areas. Now, let's picture yourself kayaking along the Rhine or paddleboarding amidst the serene beauty of the Douro River. And the third, embrace an onboard wellness and fitness. Go ahead and make the most of your onboard facilities, such as the fitness centers, the yoga studios, and wellness programs. Join the exercise sessions, attend yoga classes with panoramic views of the river, or indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments. Let's zoom out and understand the broader context of adventure and activity options within the European river cruise experience. These activities not only provide excitement, but they also enhance your understanding of the destination and cultures along the way. Now it's time to turn your dreams into reality. Visit our website, texarkanatravel.com, and explore the wide range of European river cruises. Let our experienced agents guide you in selecting the perfect itinerary and arrange all the details for your adventure-filled journey. And don't miss out on the opportunity to create unforgettable memories and embark on a European river cruise of a lifetime. In conclusion, unleash your adventurous spirit and embark on a European river cruise that offers thrilling experiences beyond your imagination. And with the right information and guidance, you can immerse yourself in active shore excursions, engage in thrilling water sports, and embrace wellness programs on board. Let us start planning your adventure today and discover the wonders that await you along Europe's majestic rivers.